This is a small lava cave here in North Iceland. I'm not sure if you watched Game of Thrones show. This is this place. You will recognize it if you watched the show. It's beautiful, beautiful, and it's a boiling water, so warm here. I'm not sure if you can swim. Swimming is not allowed anyway here. You see the small lava cave is just a few steps away from the parking, you see. And I really hate when I see a bus tour, big bus tour. That's when a big crowd is around. And just to show you, this is the first cave, and this is you cannot, by the way, you cannot swim here. You're not allowed to swim. And this place, if you watch the Game of Thrones, you will most likely you will recognize this one. It's basically a small lava cave, and water down there is very hot. It's boiling water. And I'm not sure if you even can swim there. The temperature is very high. And there is another entrance from the other side. I'm gonna show you later. I'm just trying to wait for the bus tour to leave, so the area becomes just to myself and enjoy filming, you know. And let's go back now to the other field, to the other cave, I should say. And this one is off the ring road. It's very close. And this is let's see. You can read the information here. A lot of facts about this place. And there is another entrance just a few steps away from the first one. Let me show you. Let me go down and give you a clear view.
Alex, tens que canviar el pantaló, oi?
This happens to be.
Neus, l'Àlex ha de canviar el pantaló?
There you go, you see. You really can't swim here. You can take pictures. See, I just waited for the crowd to go. They went to the other side, and I got a perfect opportunity to capture a photo here. Now I'm gonna leave this place for that gentleman to take photos, and let's see if I can. Before I leave, I want to take one more photo for Instagram. Just got out from the cave, and it looks like there is a trail that takes you up. And let's before I get back to the parking, here is the parking, and here is the cave. You see, there are two entrances, just a few steps from the parking lot, and the parking lot is free, and there is no public bathroom here. And this place is not far from the geothermal area that I shared with you in the previous video. And let's see, before I just end this video, I want to show you the remaining of this place. You can look down over here, you see. Wow, what is that? It's like a crack on the you can look all the way down, I'm sure you can Google this and read more about this place, you know. Wow, look at this, and it's still boiling. I can see steam coming up from that area. Wow, crazy. You can basically keep going to see what's going on this particular spot. You see a crack here and over here, and something is boiling. And anyway folks, let me turn on the camera. I'm gonna go explore another location, another place around this area. This, by the way, is off the ring road. It's just, if you are on your ring road trip, you can make a quick stop here, and it's very easy to get to this area. It's a gravel road, not a gravel road, it's paved road, so you don't have to worry about gravel road you know, to get to this place. And now just the tour bus left, and it's more quiet now. Anyway, have a wonderful day, and take good care. See you in other videos.